An LLC-based single-stage step-up AC to DC resonant converter without boost circuit for EV charging with high power factor.
Abstract.
In this project, the main objective of this project is to develop a highly efficient, cost-effective, and simplified power conversion solution that integrates power factor correction and DC to DC conversion into a single stage, specifically designed for electric vehicle charging applications. Here is our website, which you can find the EEE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EEE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research.
Document.
In Document, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope, and references.
PPT.
In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references.
Results.
In this project, the proposed LLC resonant converter designed for efficient AC to DC conversion with high power factor correction. It includes an AC source, an LC filter to reduce EMI, and a rectifier with a smoothing capacitor. The core component is the full-bridge LLC resonant network, comprising switches, a transformer, resonant inductors, and a resonant capacitor, which work together to regulate the output voltage and shape the input current. The converter operates in 3 modes based on the input voltage, ensuring high efficiency and soft switching, integrating both PFC and voltage regulation in a single stage. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.